Okay, here's my two-stage variable speed Lennox gas furnace I'm running in heating mode. Humidifier's hooked up. 50-gallon water heater's right there. And that's from 2005. It's on low stage, but I have it on high speed. The variable speed fan motor's on high speed, but it's on first stage. My thermostat will tell me second stage, and on this ignition board down here it will say second stage. Oh, just bumped up. It just bumped up to second stage. If you heard that little bump up, that was it, bumping up. There are the 90,000 BTU burners, some of them at least. And let me check. Yes, it's on second stage high. Fast flash. Hold on. Reducers up here. That's pretty cool. That's hot actually. I touched the back, and it takes it's a 3-ton furnace, and it takes a 16 by 25 by 1 filter. There's frost outside, and it's very cold. Yeah. I'll see what I can see from the thermostat and furnace too.
They're fine. They haven't done anything.
No, I don't feel like so. I kind of face on that.
66.
Bringing nuts and saying wackos.
68 degrees set. So I have some catching up to do. Let's see what we can see from the outside.
Cookie, who are you talking to?
Oh jeez, it's cold out here. Frost on my ground. Oh my god, that's cold. Oh my god, that's cold. Yeah, you can see smoke coming out of from there. If you look close enough. Let me see from way back. That's cold. Oh, that's freezing. It's so cold out here. Yeah, you can see it. But I cannot show it from back here. You know. The furnace is I don't know, maybe the air conditioner is a bit undersized for house. The house is about 2,000 square feet. And the air conditioner is about 3 tons. So yeah.
Well, Cookie, how is it?
Yeah. Anyhow, it's on second stage, and it has some catching up to do. It says second stage high if I hit the button. But yep, second stage gas furnace. It's on high stage. 50-gallon water heater. April air humidifier. And my awesome Lennox gas furnace from 2005. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.